Well, Brian, mental health has taken a major hit since the start of the pandemic. Stress and isolation have put many people in overwhelming positions and unfortunately led to a disturbing spike in eating disorders. Sasha Loftus spoke with one Las Vegas woman who struggled over the last year, and she joins us now live in our newsroom tonight with her story. Sasha?
Denise and Brian, the woman I spoke with tonight say she wants those struggling to know they're not alone. Disorders like anorexia and bulimia are dangerous and delicate, and they can be brought on by traumatic events like COVID-19. And now it can also bring them back in full force for those who suffer.
It's so easy to negotiate with yourself and talk yourself through, oh, I'm going to end this tomorrow.
Courtney Olson shares the daily struggle of dealing with an eating disorder.
Encompasses and takes over your entire train of thought and your entire well-being.
She's fought symptoms for years, and COVID-19 has brought on an entirely new battle.
From April to August was a super difficult time. I could see myself becoming unhealthy in terms of my thought patterns, starting to get back into that old behavior.
And she's not alone. The National Eating Disorders Association reported a 70% increase in calls for help in 2020 as millions deal with stress and isolation.
There's been a certain uptick across the board in all mental health issues since COVID. And seems to be getting worse the longer we're staying isolated.
Local psychiatrist Dr. Timothy Jeider says if you've fallen back to old patterns, it's more important now than ever to ask for help.
Take time to take care of you. That's the biggest thing I can say.
And Courtney wants anyone suffering to remember it's okay to not be okay.
If you are struggling, know that this too shall pass and nothing is permanent.
Now, Courtney says that video conferencing from home and really staring at yourself on a screen all day can also lead to obsession over body image. Now, if you've been struggling with an eating disorder during this time, you can call the National Eating Disorders Association hotline at 1-800-931-2237. Reporting live in the newsroom tonight, Sasha Loftus, 8 News Now.
Sasha, thank you for that report.